Do you want to create an appealing media kit which not only just attracts the attention of the PR but also you can land so many brand collaborations with it? If you want to know how, keep on watching. Hey guys, I'm Urvee and in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can create a media kit, what is really a media kit, the places where you can create a media kit and how to really perfect the professional media kit. Now I've been blogging for over 6 years. I have created a few media kits of my own, but I would say like the current one which I have is very I would say up to the point, as I have gained so much feedback from other people, and as a PR as my by myself I have seen so many other media kits, then I've figured out what I really like, and you are kind of getting like taste from the both of the worlds, seeing what people really like. So yeah, let's get started. So if you don't know what a media kit is basically a PDF or a slideshow of highlights of your Instagram and YouTube or whatever like your social media profile is about. So it contains everything about who you are as a person, what kind of content you create, where people can find you on social media, and your analytics, and your some people include their charges as well, your contact information, all of that stuff. Now, a media kit can be anywhere from 1 to 6, 7 pages long. There was a time I created like a slideshow of like slideshow of myself with the content, but I didn't really like that. Again, I did not receive a good response. Brands don't really see, or like the PR people don't really see, flip through all of your presentation slides. So I removed that and I kept my media kit only of 1 page. You can do more than that if you want, but that is just my personal opinion. So I created mine on Canva. I feel like it is the easiest option to create a media kit. Like you just have to go and edit it. You can also create it on PicMonkey, PixArt, even like Photoshop. There are so many other options available, but I just create it on Canva. You have to include a few photos of yourself, which are professionally taken or however it is. I make sure to add at least 3 or 4 photos of myself into the media kit. Also the photos in which my face is seen, so that people recognize me by my face, and some photos in which like the outfit photo is seen, because I am also like a travel and fashion blogger, so I need to add all the kinds of content like fashion, travel, makeup, all of that into like my media kit, so that people see all of the types of content which I am providing. So the first thing being, you can add your logo. In the first line you can add your logo. This is what I've done. And then the next thing which you want to start off your media kit is with your introduction. So I'm basically going to talk about, I am Urvee Tonwalkar. I have started my blogging in 2014. Since then, I have been creating content such as fashion, makeup, lifestyle, skincare, all of that. Then you can write, what brands you have worked with, what are your main social media platforms. Do not write engagement and everything just in there. Just talk primarily that I love to talk about this, this is my specialty, this is this, I have worked with these many brands. That's it. Okay, once you kind of give them an introduction on who you are, what kind of content you create, and what are the brands you have worked with, next is the step where you tell them your statistics. Now you can create columns on based on Instagram and YouTube, and just talk about your number of followers, you talk about your Instagram weekly reach, you can talk about your engagement rate, you have to mention your demographics, which is the male female ratio, all of that stuff, so that they also get an idea on what your ratio is about, and do not have to keep on searching on like Social Blade or something to find out your ratio. It is just all present over there. I would say that you it is not necessary to add your statistics, your demographics into the media kit, but it does play a very important role, because brands do really want to know what it is that you are offering, and what is your audience, and they do not have to do your research, because there are platforms available such as Hype Auditor and Social Blade, where they can just type your name and your entire Instagram chart will be revealed, your entire male female ratio will be revealed, your demographics will be revealed, all of that. Why do you want them to do the work? You can just provide them and be like, okay, this are my interests, this is the demographic, these are the number of followers, this is my engagement rate, these are the top cities in which my followers are. And then the last thing which you can do is add your rates. I do not really add them because they keep on fluctuating. So you can add your contact details, your number, your email ID, and then you can also add, also no, you have to add your links to your all your Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, whatever social media platforms you are active on. Make sure to add all of that over there. Now the last thing is, this is how I basically created my media kit. Media kit, having a media kit is like not compulsory, again as I said, but it does add like a professional touch to the email. And brands do not just have the time to read on. They can just click on the media kit, they can see and be like, okay, she seems interesting, maybe we should contact her. So that is also a good thing. So always try to add your media kit so people are aware about it. And yeah, so that concludes today's video on how to create a media kit. Let me know in the comments down below, what are you going to create in your media kit, what are you going to add, all of that stuff. Also, if you have missed the past 2 videos which I have talked about brand collaborations, how to approach brands for collaborations, make sure to check that out because you do not want to miss that. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I am running so many videos. I'm uploading so many videos. I'm uploading 31 videos in the month of December. You do not want to miss that out. And like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you next time. Till then, bye.